it. I love it when the ladies wanna have some fun. I wanna see the ladies do the daddy dance. Now give it to me, do it for me, bring it on me, put it on me. I'm on fire right now. Let's go!